Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. We just dropped off our trailer and discovered, because it was acting kind of funny when we were towing it, that it actually has a broken axle on one side and the back has two axles. And the one side is broken, so it can't be driven. So we put everything in the truck, and our two office chairs are in the back of the truck. And it was mostly dry coming down I-5, and here we are heading back to our in-laws, who get the surprise that they get to have us with them for another period of time, who knows how long. And our chairs are now soaking wet. So that is the luck that we are having these days. Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am here today because our trailer, which has a broken axle, ended up needing to stay at the dealer, and I couldn't actually get all of the stuff we needed out of here. So I'm going to show you guys. And they made him get over here and get on a dolly and come and look at what the damage is. So first off, it's this back one. So you can see the leaf spring has been pulled down. And now I'm going to see if I can actually show you guys what's going on with it. Might not be. So basically, look at that. The spring, or I guess I would call it the cushion that the leaf spring is supposed to rest on, rotated and is underneath. And I do not even know how an axle could have rotated. But there it is in all its glory. And so Grand Design already knows all about it. And I am here today to get out my crafting stuff so that I can continue crafting while we're hanging out at our in-laws again, who are very gracious hosts. And we're surprised when we told them we were going to be staying with them again for a while. So, continue watching the saga of our RV traveling life. Thanks for watching.